If you want to optimize Shopify store images, then here's what you're going to do. First, we're going to compress your images before uploading them using tools like Tiny PNG or Image Optim. So from the Tiny PNG, you will see here, you can just drop your images right here and then it can convert your images automatically. And then it reduces file size without hurting quality, improving site speed. Also, make sure that you stick to recommended image dimensions like 2048 by 2048 for product images, and then use JPEG for photos and PNG for graphics with transparency. So I suggest that you use JPEG because this one is the best quality in Shopify. So in Shopify, you can also install image optimization apps like Crush.pics or TinyMG that automatically compress and add alternative text to your images. So if you want to do that, you can also go to settings from the left bottom of your page. And then from here, we're going to click on apps and sales channels and then open the Shopify store. We're just going to look for crush.pics and let's see if it is there. Or if it's not, we can search for another one, maybe tiny img that can optimize. As you can see, our image optimizer, we're just going to head on install, and then it will be installed in our Shopify store after we confirm the installation. So you can see it, this app is just going to need access to your personal data, so we're just going to confirm install, and then after that we're just going to set it up and connect it with our store so it can optimize from there. So we can turn it on, so anytime we add product images, it automatically does that for us. Now, optimized images make your store load faster, which helps both SEO and conversion. And that's it. That is how you're going to optimize Shopify store images. I recently created an hour-long step-by-step Shopify tutorial, which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.